Hello sports fans, my name is Chris McMillan, here to introduce a new live sports entertainment scoreboard called the Skybox View. Have you ever been in a situation where you're at home and you want to know what the score, if they're your favorite team rivals, and you go to your favorite sports channel and it's in commercial, and then you run over to the radio and turn it on and you hear the announcer and you can't see the score, or you take time to run upstairs and to boot up the computer and you just want it now? We live in a society where we want things right now. So the solution is the Skybox View. Skybox View was specifically developed for the sports fan. With your own personal wireless scoreboard, the Skybox View allows you to keep an eye on the game from the best seat in the house. Several years ago, me and my wife Michelle went to Wrigley Field for the Crosstown Classic between the Chicago Cubs and the Chicago White Sox. About the third or fourth inning, the Cubs were losing and we ended up leaving. I was frustrated, so we walked down to a local memorabilia shop and I saw this Cub clock. Well, I collect clocks and I purchased the clock and we took it home. As I walked downstairs to get a hammer and nail, my wife, Michelle, she's painting the laundry room, and she said, "Where do you want this atomic clock at?" And I said, "Well, just set it down next to my Cubs clock." So she set the clock down. As I came upstairs, I saw both clocks side by side. And I thought, how cool would that be to get your scores wireless? At that moment, the Skybox View was born. Over the next couple of years, we developed several design concepts and started work on electronic inner workings of the unit. To help me turn the idea into reality, I put together a group of dedicated and experienced technical and business professionals. Our team is committed to bringing the Skybox View to sports fans everywhere. We designed the Skybox View to have the authentic scoreboard look. Right now, we're using a generic background and we're using team identifiers. Let me show you some of the features and how the Skybox View works. Right now we have the unit plugged in. It's controlled by a 7-inch tablet. When you bring this unit home for the first time, you'll have to program your WEP number into your home network, which will connect to our servers so you can receive the live data in real time. Let me show you some of the features here. We've got a graphic of a basic baseball field. The infield, you've got your ball strikes and out where your pitcher would be. When somebody gets on base, these will light up. Also, we have the inning, so when you're in the top of the inning, the arrow 1 would be lit up. If you're in the bottom of the first inning, the bottom arrow would be lit. On the right-hand side of the unit, you've got statistics of the game, runs, hits, and errors. This is actually the last game of with the Houston Astros and the Chicago Cubs of the 2012 season. This is the runs and the hits and the errors. You got 4, 5, 6, 7, and they both had an error. And down at the bottom, you've got your final feature here where you're going to know the whole progress of the game. So as you can see in the first inning, there was 1 run scored. I can actually go to one more game. It was actually the last game of the World Series. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually select the Detroit Tigers, and there you go. There's the last game. It went 10 innings, and the San Francisco Giants, they won the World Series. The Skybox View was also designed for fantasy sports players in mind. So we're also going to have icons on the tablet here so you can actually get your statistics for your fantasy sports, whatever you're following for your players. You'll be able to get the information down here, who's up on what their statistics are. We're also, our future models, we started with MLB, we're going to go NFL, NHL, soccer, and even college football. The Skybox View measures 25 inches across, approximately 21 inches down, and 2 inches thick. This will be a very attractive, it will complement any game room, man cave, sports bar, wherever sports fans mingle. This is the Skybox View. We have successfully built 2 fully functional working prototypes. Right now, we need to build 3 production models for field testing and marketing. We plan on being rolled out fully production by baseball season of 2014. You can visit our progress on Twitter, Facebook, or our website. My team and I are thrilled that we've got to this point with the resources available to us. Now, to take this to the next level, we're asking for your help, the crowdfunding, to take the Skybox View to the next level, to help us get into the production part of this so we can offer the Skybox View to all sports fans all over the world. I hope you're as excited about the Skybox View as we are. With your support, you will help us bring the Skybox view to sports fans everywhere. Thank you.